You just have to open up your own server. For this to work, you have to be the owner, or you have to have this rule right here. The role that has a high permission to manage channels, to edit channels. You have to have this role, and then after that you can just hover this, and then you can click this, edit channel, scroll down, and then you will find this region override. There you can click what server you want this particular channel to connect to. For example, for me, the closest is Singapore, but if you are living in the US, then you surely know which server to connect on your own. For example, if you want to create a channel for your Asian friend, then you can make sure to choose Singapore or Hong Kong. But if you are in somewhere in Japan or South Korea, you can put it to Japan, of course. So it kind of depends on how and who is in the channel, and this is how you're able to change the server that the channel connects to. You just have to click this and then save changes, and then it has been changed just like that.